Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock this device without password. Okay, but before we start, let's discuss a few things. Please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Also, we need to have a Mac or PC or laptop with Windows. It's going to be the easiest on the Mac, so simply we need some kind of a computer. And next thing is that we'll have to perform a reset of our iPhone, so because of that we will lose all of our data. I'm sorry, but it is necessary. If you have a backup, don't worry, you'll be able to restore it later, but if you don't have it, I'm sorry, all of your data will be erased. And also the last thing is that after the reset in this method, as a verification, the iPhone will want you to log in into the Apple account on which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually the user, or that you are actually the user, not some kind of a thief. So that's the things that we need to remember about. I'll show you how to do it on the Mac, but also I can show you on my PC with Windows which app to install to perform a reset. So give me a second, I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, on PC or laptop with Windows, we need to click on the search bar, we need to open up the Microsoft Store, and in here we need to download Apple Devices app. That's how we'll be able to do it on the Windows. I'm about to perform it on the Mac, but don't worry, the menu and all options look the same, so you won't do anything wrong. I'll go back into my Mac and I'll show you the further steps. Okay, now we need to connect our iPhone into our Mac or computer using the USB-C cable, just like that. And now we need to open up the recovery mode on our iPhone. How to do it? We need to click volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button until we get into the recovery mode. So let me show you: volume up, volume down, and now we need to keep holding power button until we will get in the recovery mode. Okay, just like that. Now I'll show you what to do on the Mac. Okay, as you take a look, we already have a notification. First we need to open up also the Finder app. Okay, and in my case something like that appeared already. And now we need to click on Restore and click on Restore and Update. Click on Next, click on Agree. Okay, as you take a look on the bottom, a bar appeared, and currently the iPhone software update is being downloaded, so we need to wait a little bit until it's finished, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, it took a little bit, but iPhone has finally restored. We are in the setup process. Now simply select your language and go. Go next to set up your phone. And as you take a look, now on the Mac, my iPhone is currently connected to it. We have the activation log that I was talking about earlier. And now what I highly recommend to do is to simply in here log in into an Apple account on which we are logged in before the reset. So simply we'll be able to do it right now in the fastest way on our Mac. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.